Hi everyone, I am Elaine R. Davis, Realtor with Next Home Atlantic Coast, and this is Real Life Treasure Coast, in a real life office, in a real community, Town Park in Tradition, Florida. We are going to be meeting Jay Wilson, who is with Reliance Mortgage Funding, and he is a real mortgage broker here in the community. Jay is awesome. He is my go-to when I need a creative and innovative mortgage broker who's going to take the file from start to finish, answer any questions I may have or the customers may have, and he's always available whenever I call, and I know he's always available for his customers as well. Let's get Jay in here so we can talk about mortgage brokering. Hi, so this is Jay Wilson from Reliance Mortgage Funding. How are you, Jay?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Awesome. So we're here today to talk about mortgage broking, and I would love for you to tell our viewers what exactly a mortgage broker does.
Well, a mortgage broker is able to take somebody that's looking for a home and set them up with one of a number of different lenders. We try to find the right lender for you and your circumstances.
Awesome. And I always tell people when they are whether first-time home buyers or someone that does not have financing yet, I say if you want someone who's creative and innovative, go to Jay. And that's because I think you work with what, 50 different lenders?
Yeah, it's 50 or so, and the biggest difference is if you go to a bank, a lot of times they have just one set of rules for you. If you don't fit into their criteria, then you may not get the loan. Where I have 50 different lenders, all different types of lenders that will allow you to be able to get a loan from your typical bank loan all the way to more like self-employed bank statements, things like that.
Cool. So what would be the benefit of someone going to you, a local mortgage broker, or going online to someone like Rocket Mortgage?
The biggest benefit, I think, is speed. The speed of the loan. Most of the time, depending on appraisals and things, the broker, picking out the right lender that works for you right out of the gate, allows us to close loans in 15 days, 20 days. Many times when you go to a bank, you're talking, sometimes they're telling you 2 months, 90 days in this type of market that's out there. Again, we're able to close much quicker, and it's only because if the fit is there, you eliminate whatever stipulations the lender has put on you along with an appraisal, then you just close the loan. Many times I'm waiting for the real estate agent, meaning that they have 30-day contracts or 45-day contracts. And we're done in 20 days waiting to close, which is great. It's better than pushing it to the end, which happens many times when there's only a lender.
I love that. Speed is super important to me as an assertive realtor. And another thing, Jay is very humble. He is available all the time. I call him with questions and he answers, and I know that his customer service is impeccable as well with all of his clients. So I think that's a big benefit of going with a local lender as well. Jay, this industry is super aggressive and there's lots of people that are doing mortgages. Tell us why I should refer you as much as I do.
Well, there are a lot of people that are out there that are doing mortgages, and that's great for our industry. I have been doing mortgages since 1997, and I've been helping people with monies since 1987. I probably shouldn't say that because it dates my age, but having that much, being able to take a look at a loan and knowing what to do with the loan is pretty much second nature. And between myself and the different people that have worked for me over the years, we've probably closed 5, 6, 7,000 loans. And that,
big numbers.
yes, and that, but that just makes it so that when you come to me, I'll be able to find a loan for you.
Jay's awesome at finding a loan for you. So why did you decide to get into this business?
Well, actually, I was helping people with monies, different ways to invest their money in things many years ago, and the mortgage industry kept coming to me. In fact, they were trying to get me to come to the mortgage industry, and that took 3 times for them to finally convince me that this might be what to do. I was making a very good living, helping people invest their monies, and being able to help them with loans in other industries. And actually, when I started doing this, I thought I would take a huge cut in pay.
Nobody wants a pay cut, ever.
Nobody wants a pay cut. But it turned out that they were right, and I actually made more money the first year than I'd ever made before in my life. And that's just because of the diligence, and I was taught correctly how to do a loan from start to finish.
Awesome.
Which again, we didn't really touch on that, but you said, why should you come to me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a processor. Okay, that might scare some people, but I was taught how to process a loan from start to finish, from the beginning, and anybody that's ever worked for me was taught the exact same way. So there's no middle person that can, you can push anything or stop the loan. The buck stops here.
And there's no one to make errors either. It's all you.
I'm the one that's calling up to push the people along with each thing that's needed for the loan.
Yes, and he's good at that. So awesome. We talked a little bit in the intro about how most mortgage brokers do work out of their home, and you have a beautiful home. You live in Town Park in Tradition. Why do you love living here?
Well, we originally moved here because we wanted a little bit more quiet and peace. We were living in Fort Lauderdale, where I was a mortgage broker there, but it was getting very busy, so we moved up here. But now it's very busy here, which is great. But we love the area. We love Tradition, just the beauty of Port St. Lucie on this side, and we're just thrilled. We've been here almost 5 years.
Awesome. I love it here, and it's not as busy as Fort Lauderdale. Getting there. We still have a lot of room to grow, though.
They're trying.
Jay, thanks for talking to us about the benefits of going with a local, real-life mortgage broker. And tell our viewers, other than calling me, and I'll refer you, how to get in touch with you directly.
Sure. There's about 3 different ways. You can call 772-208-3137. Or you can actually go to our website, which is www.rmfllc.net. You can email me at jwilson@rmfllc.net.
Awesome, Jay. Thanks so much for having me over and talking about your business.
Thank you. Thank you. And I want to be your mortgage broker.